Today's auto industry is, honestly, overcomplicating transmissions that used to be simple and reliable. You know, the 4 and 5 speed automatics of the 1990s and early 2000s were nearly indestructible, but now, modern 10-speed automatics, CVTs, and dual-clutch systems are way more failure-prone, with recalls up 65% and repairs costing up to $4,500. Even luxury brands aren't immune. GM trucks can lock up on highways, Mercedes SUVs stall in traffic, and Ford recently recalled almost 3 million vehicles. In this video, we reveal the 10 worst transmissions of 2025 that could leave you broke. Number 10. Mercedes-Benz GLE and GLS 450, the $80,000 traffic hazard. Mercedes GLE 450 and GLS 450 SUVs from 2020 to 2023 show that even a six-figure price tag doesn't guarantee reliability. Drivers report the transmission suddenly locking up during downshifts, turning these luxury SUVs into, well, moving hazards. The problem is a software glitch that halts the gearbox mid-sequence. Mercedes recalled about 100,000 units, but many owners continue to experience repeated stalls despite repairs. For a more reliable luxury experience, models like the Genesis GV70 or BMW X5 may be better choices. Number 9. Subaru Ascent, Legacy, Outback, Chain Drive Catastrophe. Subaru's Ascent Legacy and Outback faced massive drivetrain failures, resulting in one of Japan's largest recalls. The clutch engages before the CVT chain is ready, causing harsh jerks that weaken the chain. When the chain breaks, metal fragments can lock up the drivetrain, sometimes at highway speeds. Nearly 200,000 vehicles were recalled in the US. Their fix, a software reprogram, only temporarily delays engagement, so even repaired cars can fail again. For safer alternatives, consider a Mazda CX-9 or Honda Pilot. Number 8. Ram 2500 and 3500 HD, Fire Hazard. Ram's heavy-duty trucks from 2019 to 2023 received two separate transmission recalls. The first recall involved 84,000 trucks where transmission fluid could spray onto hot exhaust components, causing fires. A second recall affecting 250,000 more trucks showed the initial fix failed. Owners report continued problems even after both recalls, and repair costs outside warranty can reach $5,800. For a safer truck option, a Honda Ridgeline may be a better choice. Number 7. Ford's 2.9 million vehicle shifter problem. Ford recalled 2.9 million vehicles from 2013 to 2019, including the Escape, CMX, Fusion, Transit Connect and Edge, because of a failing shifter bushing. When that bushing wears out, the shifter cable can actually detach, leaving the car stuck in whatever gear it was in. Ford knew about this issue for years but, well, they delayed taking action until 2019. The recall replaces the bushing and adds a protective cap. But, honestly, some vehicles require the entire shifter cable assembly, which can cost about $800. It's surprising how even simple parts can cause major headaches. Number 6. Nissan, vehicles rolling in park. The 2020 to 2023 Nissan Titan, Frontier and Z-Car models have a problem with parking pole failures. This tiny metal piece is supposed to lock the transmission in park, but if it's installed incorrectly or missing, vehicles can actually roll away unexpectedly. More than 203,000 owners have faced this issue, and sometimes it's even resulted in collisions with other cars or structures. Nissan temporarily halted production in 2022, and repairs involve either properly installing or replacing the parking pole. Manual transmission versions aren't affected, but let's be real, manual Titans are extremely rare. Number 5. Toyota and Lexus Tundra, trucks that move on their own. The 2022 to 2024 Toyota Tundra, Sequoia, and Lexus LX600 were recalled because 280,000 vehicles could, well, spontaneously move even when parked. This software glitch really undermines Toyota's reputation for reliability. There's a patch available, but a lot of owners are still worried about other potential failures. Meanwhile, older Tundra models with V8 engines are honestly still highly sought after for their durability. Number 4, GM, Start-Stop Fire Hazard. GM's 2018 to 2020 vehicles, including the Buick Encore, GMC Terrain, Acadia, Enclave, Chevy Cruze, Malibu, and Cadillac XT4 and XT6, have start-stop systems that can leak hydraulic fluid onto hot components, creating a real fire risk. Around 194,000 vehicles are affected. These systems save only about 3 to 5% in fuel economy, so basically, GM risked customer safety for a pretty minimal benefit. The recall involves inspecting or replacing a bolt, though, honestly, many owners have just decided to disable the